Question number 4. Follow the picture and relate what I'm saying here. We have the XY coordinate system here, and let's take this is the satellite dish, and the signal coming from satellite strikes the surface of the dish and are reflected to the focus. So here is the focus where the receiver is located. The satellite dish shown has a diameter of 24 centimeters, so this length is 24 centimeters, and a depth of 4 centimeters. This length, the depth of the dish is 4 centimeters. The parabola is positioned in the rectangular coordinate system with its vertex. This vertex, with respect to the XY coordinate system, this vertex is 3, 3, shown in the figure. Then find the coordinates of the receiver with respect to the XY axis. Look, now you observe on the video, this is a diagram, what I have shown you. ያሳየዋችሁ ፒክቸር ከዚህ በፊት ያሳየዋችሁ ላይ እነዚህን ነገሮች ነው የሚያሟላው። እዛ ላይ የተሰጠን look, this point is 3, 3 with respect to XY axis. Now this point consider as the origin and form a new coordinate system, x prime, y prime. So for x prime, y prime, the vertex is the origin. ምንድነው የምናየው? የመጀመሪያ የተጠየቅነው ምንድነው? The coordinate of the receiver. The receiver is at the focus. The receiver is at the focus. So the coordinate of the focus, the coordinate of the receiver with respect to x, y. ግን መጀመሪያ ምን መፈለግ አለብን? We have to find the equation of the parabola with respect to x prime, y prime. ስለዚህ with respect to x prime, y prime, vertex at the origin corner, we have the formula x prime square is equal to 4p y prime. With respect to x prime, y prime, it is at the origin. ነገር ግን ምን እናውቃለን? ምን ሰጥቶናል? ዲብዙ 4 ነው ተብለናል። So this length is vertically apart 4 unit አለን። ዲያሜትሩ 24 ነው ማለት this is midpoint. So we have here 12. This is 12. So what's this point? Horizontally የተጓዝ ነው 12 unit, vertically የተጓዝ ነው 4 unit. So 12, 4. This point is on the parabola. That means it satisfies the equation. Equationን satisfy ያደርጋል ማለት ነው on the parabola ከሆነ። ስለዚህ እንተካለን here 12 square is equal to 4p y prime, it is 4. So p is equal to 12 times 12 over 4 times 4. በአራት አንድ በአራት 3 በአራት አንድ በአራት 3 that is 9. So we got 9 p ማለት from the vertex to the focus. ይሄ ሌንግዝ ነው p ማለት. So this length is 9. ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ከዚህ ተነስተን እዚህ ፖይንት ድረስ ስንሄድ this length is 9 units. ግን ምን ሰጥቶናል? እኛ ሌላ ምን ሰጥቶናል? The vertex is 3, 3 with respect to xy axis. ስለዚህ ይሄ 3, 3 ነው ማለት horizontally 3 unit, ይሄ 3 ነው, vertically 3 unit, ይሄ 3 ነው. So ከዚህ ተነስተን እዚህ ፖይንት ሪሲቨሩ ያለበት ድረስ ስንሄድ ስንት ነው የሚሆነው ሌንግዛችን? this point will be 12, 3 plus 9 12 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። horizontally ይሄ ፖይንት ማለት this 3 unit አልተቀየረም. Therefore this point, that is the coordinate of the receiver, the focus of the parabola with respect to xy plane, that will be 3,12. 3,12. አሁን የመጀመሪያውን n ጨረስን። ቢ ደግሞ equation of the parabola with respect to xy plane and with respect to x prime, y prime coordinate system. So መጀመሪያ በx prime, y prime equationን ምን አግኝተናል? This is the equation. P አግኝተናል. Therefore x prime square is equal to 4 times 9, 36 y prime. This is equation of the parabola with respect to x prime, y prime coordinates. ከዛስ look every point here, every point እዚህ ጋር እነዚህ ፖይንቶች with respect to x prime, y prime ብለን ነው የምንወስዳቸው። so ኮኦርዲኔቱን ወደዚህ shift ስናደርገው ምንድነው የሚያደርገው? ፕላስ ይሆናል። shifting the coordinate system, by shifting the coordinate system ተጠቅመን ስንሰራ look ከዚህ ወደዚህ ይሄ 3 ዩኒት እዚህ ጋር ሲመጣ 0 ነበር። ከዛ በኋላ shift የምናደርገው የምንሄደው አጠቃላይ ፖይንት plus x prime ነው የሚሆነው። so we have the formula here, x is equal to x prime plus h if the vertex is this is origin 3,3. so what's h? 3. It becomes x prime plus 3. Similarly, y is equal to y prime plus the vertex h comma k. K is here 3. So this is y prime plus 3. So in kazi ምናውቃለን x prime means x minus 3, y prime means y minus 3. Therefore, equation of the parabola x prime x minus 3 square is equal to 36 y minus 3. Equation of the parabola with respect to the xy plane. This is xy plane. For xy coordinate system, xy plane. That is B. The last C. C ደግሞ ምንድን ነው ያለን? The equation of the directrix of the parabola. Look, ከዚህ 9 units needና we have horizontal line y is equal to minus p, y prime. y prime is equal to minus p. Origin at 0,0 በx prime y prime directrixችን ሁልጊዜም y prime is equal to minus p ነው የሚሆነው። So we have y prime is equal to minus p, that is minus 9. But what's y prime? Y prime means y minus 3. So this implies y minus 3 is equal to minus 9. Add 3 both sides. Y is equal to minus 6. This is equation of the directrix for the parabola with respect to xy coordinate system. With respect to xy coordinate system, y is equal to minus 6. With respect to x prime, y prime coordinate system, y is equal to minus, y prime is equal to minus 9, the directrix. ስለዚህ በተጠየቅነው መልኩ እንመልሳለን ማለት ነው። This is the last problem. እንዴት አያችሁት? ተመቻችሁ? ከተመቻችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ላይክ ሼር ያደረጋችሁ ለሌሎች እንዲዳረስ አድርጉ። ሰላም